Chicken Saoji, a unique, spicy North Indian dish with a special blend of 12 spices. With some easy ginger rice, today let's try something different. Watch Malaysian Indian Cooking with grandmother approved recipes and tips. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for helping us grow. You're watching The Spice Table, Season 2 on the Diao's channel. Chicken Saoji. Ingredients. You will need chicken, ginger garlic paste, sliced red onions, dried red chillies, grated coconut, sorghum flour, bay leaf, cloves, mace, star anise, cardamoms, cinnamon, black pepper, coriander, cumin, mustard seeds, poppy seeds, and fried shallots to garnish. We have fried the shallots and we have saved up the oil. Use this oil because it tastes delicious. Add a small bit of oil and let's start roasting the spices: cinnamon, mace, cardamom, star anise, cloves, black pepper, coriander seeds, cumin. Make sure you keep stirring to prevent burning. Continue to add the other spices: mustard seeds, bay leaf, dried red chilies. After 1 minute, go ahead and add in the poppy seeds, also known as khaskhas. After another good mix, the final ingredient to add is the grated coconut. Keep mixing until the coconut is lightly brown and toasted. If you can hear a crunchy sound from the coconut and the dried chilies, your garam masala or spices is ready. Set it aside, let it cool, and now add some more of the onion fried oil and add in 2 to 3 large onions and saute on a very low flame for 10 minutes until it slowly becomes golden brown like this. Try not to burn the onions. Now that all the spices have cooled down, add them into a mixer grinder. Add in the onions. For 1 minute, grind them while still dry. After that, add in 1/4 cup of water. Keep grinding for another minute until it looks like this. And add in the sorghum flour. If you don't have sorghum flour, you can always substitute with whole wheat flour or normal all-purpose flour. A bit of water, another 2 minutes in the grinder until you get a smooth paste. The masala paste should look like this. Add some oil in a pan, and if you like, for extra taste, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. We've chopped another onion, add that in. A minute later, add in the ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant, and then add in our chicken. Cook the chicken for at least 5 minutes until half cooked like this. And then add in the Saoji Masala paste. Give it a good mix. After about 5 to 10 minutes, once it's nice and looks a bit golden brown, you can add in 2 to 3 cups of water. You can wash out the container with the masala so you won't waste it. Add in 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give it a mix and let this simmer for at least 25 to 30 minutes until the oil has separated from the chicken. Once it looks like this, give it a final mix. If you're happy with the thickness of the gravy, your chicken saoji is ready. Now for the rice, simple ginger rice, Fry some shallots, garlic, ginger, star anise and cinnamon in some ghee until fragrant. Add that into a rice cooker. Cook about 2 to 3 cups of rice following the instructions. Add pandan leaves, and after cooking you can sprinkle your desired colouring. That's all, a North Indian delight from Maharashtra, chicken Saoji.